Hello, my name is Henry. I learned meditation in the Himalayas, and I've spent the last 8 years helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Today's session is on: is physical discomfort normal, or is it a sign I'm doing something wrong? Physical discomfort is common, especially for beginners adjusting to new postures. However, persistent or sharp pain may indicate improper alignment or a need for additional support. If pain continues despite adjustments, consider consulting a professional to rule out underlying issues. Physical discomfort is normal when you are putting your body into positions it is not accustomed to being in or are opposite to what they are usually in. If you spend a lot of time at a desk, hunched over a computer, if you spend a lot of time with your head tilted down, looking at your phone, any of these things can cause discomfort when you attempt to align the spine, which is commonly what is done during a meditation posture. Also opening the hips. So these things can cause some challenges if you are accustomed to being in any of those previously mentioned positions or some others. Those were just the most frequent that I've seen. When you're a beginner, be patient with yourself. Understand that just like meditation, on a daily basis, making progress, the same thing happens with physical postures, with yoga asana. Any meditative posture that you assume may take some effort to get into, will take some effort to maintain, and will take some time until you get to a point where you are able to sit in this posture comfortably. When it comes to persistent or sharp pain, in any of these situations, by all means, make whatever adjustments. If you need to use a prop, anything like a cushion, a folded blanket, any of these things that you can use to help adjust the body position. For example, sitting on a folded blanket or a folded yoga mat or a cushion allows the hips to be higher than the knees, which is typically a more comfortable alignment when you are assuming meditative postures early on in meditation. If you continue to have problems in these postures, I am not a medical professional, even though in yoga training, anatomy and physiology is one of the topics. It is my least favorite topic out of the mandatory yoga topics for teacher trainings and more advanced programs. But it is important to understand how the physical body works. And even though I'm not an expert, I do have a basic understanding. And if there are continuing issues despite adjustments, I would say definitely seek out a qualified professional who can help you in these situations, whether it's a doctor, a chiropractor, just someone who specializes in the body and its alignment. And now we'll bring our awareness to the tips of the nostrils. We'll observe the flow of air here at the tips of the nostrils. And we'll simply observe as we inhale and we exhale, and we exhale and we inhale the air as it passes the tips of the nostrils. We'll relax the legs. We'll relax the chest. Relax the shoulders. Relax the forehead. Namaste.